Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn on notifications for your Slack account. For example, if you'd like to get notified by Slack whenever someone sends you a new message in your workspace. So drop a like and now let us jump right into it. Alright, so head over to Slack, log into your account and select your workspace in the top left corner. I'm going to use that workspace here for the sake of this tutorial. And basically all you need to do, guys, is click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of your display here and select preferences from that drop down menu. And after that, take a look at that panel here to the left and make sure that you head over to notifications at the top of that panel. And in the last step, guys, all you need to do, guys, is simply decide what type of notifications you would like to receive and what type of messages you would like to get notified of. For instance, notify me about all new messages, for example, or select direct messages, mentions and keywords below if you'd like to get notified only about these. Or if you'd like to turn off notifications entirely, simply select nothing. So if you'd like to enable notifications in general, I would suggest you leave it just at all new messages. Also, guys, make sure that you give your Chrome browser or any other browser you access Slack through has been given the permission to send you notifications here on Slack. Now, if you turned off notifications here on Google Chrome entirely, or for Slack specifically, you may go through your browser settings on Google Chrome or any other browser and allow Slack to send you notifications there. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.